Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name is Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and in today's video we're going to be taking you through the trades that have triggered in for the week, of which we've had quite a few trades trigger in for the week and be very profitable. These being intraday trades. I know last week we showed you some longer term trades, so showing a little bit of a diversity here with the strategies that we use. Now, in regards to the trades themselves, we've got a very specialized strategy that we use using our system, and also an intraday strategy that we use with our analysis. So firstly, I'm going to show you the analysis page that we provide to our clients every single day, and this is our members area. So you can see from our members area, the clients would log into this every single morning, or afternoon if they so choose to. They can use these particular levels for their support. So there's technical analysis on here, there's fundamental analysis on here, there's daily trading levels on here as well. And this is sort of a wonderful resource for clients to use, so they can get a great idea of exactly where to enter in and when to enter into the market on any given day. Now, I'm going to show you the trades that have triggered in now. Okay. Now, on our system, we've got a very reliable strategy that we use on one particular currency pair, and this particular currency I was speaking about is the dollar CAD. Okay. Now, you may have heard me speak about this strategy before. It's called the third zone strategy, and it's a absolutely fantastic strategy on the system. And the reason that you've probably heard me speak about it before is because of how much it works. You know, it's very reliable. So if we take a look at the dollar CAD third zone trades this week, so what I mean by third zone is you'll see we've got a number of buy and sell zones on this particular chart, and you can see from the very start of market open you get given a zone, and then the zones go up and down from there. So for example, today if we're looking at the price, we can see that we've got this sell zone here, sell zone 2, sell zone 3. Okay, this buy zone here, buy zone 1, buy zone 2, buy zone 3. So if we take a look at pretty much from the start of the week, which was after the bank holiday on the Tuesday, we can see that we've got buy zone 1, buy zone 2, buy zone 3, and bang, a reversal. Okay, it's exactly what we're looking for. We're looking for these third zone reversals. Okay, so we look for a minimum of 25 pips on these particular trades. Some traders go for more, depends on, you know, the individual themselves, but usually we say a minimum of 25 must be taken on these third zone reversal trades. So firstly, easy 25 pips. All you would have had to do is if you would just had to set an order at this third zone in the morning, and as soon as that comes into the third zone, triggers in, and you would have been in the trade. Okay, because these zones, they don't move around during the day. Once they're set in the morning, all you've got to do is set an order for them. Secondly, we had this third zone trigger in here yesterday. You can see sell zone straight into here. Market comes down over 25 pips. That's exactly what we're looking for. Exactly what we're looking for. So in regards to the actual trade itself, again, easy enough. Just set your order in that zone. Order triggers in. Reverses, you make your profit. Okay, I can even show you some examples from the previous week. You know, you can see here on the Friday, third zone comes in easily, makes the pips. Okay, again, third zone on the previous Thursday, you can see easily makes the pips. And again on the Wednesday, third zone reverses, makes the pips. It's a very reliable strategy on one currency pair. You know, if you can make 50, 75 pips on a currency pair every week, you're laughing. You know, that's exactly what you want. So this is the strategy. It's a specialized one because obviously you're using the algorithm to provide you with these third zones, but it's a very reliable one to use. And yes, they're not going to trigger every day. Yeah, that's one thing we always say to our clients. Don't expect third zones on dollar CAD to trigger every day, because they're not going to trigger every day, as you can see. You can see on this week it's been every other day, and sometimes it might be every 2 days. Just depends on the market. But when they do trigger in, we trade for quality, and that's the way that you should be trading here for Platinum, is we always trade for quality, not for quantity. The way that we trade is not just with a system, but we also provide our clients with one-to-one mentoring to teach them exactly how to do the analysis themselves. So they're not dependent on any sort of system to use. Now, the reason for doing this video is not just to show you this strategy, but also to provide you with a chance to look at it yourself for free on a consultation. And the way to do that is very, very simple. You come to our PlatinumTradingAcademy.com website, you click on the top right hand corner where it's free consultation, and once you click on there, simply leave your details in the boxes required, and one of our traders, account managers will get in touch with you and get that session booked in. The session lasts anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how many questions you have, and it will take you through the analysis, the system, and how the mentoring is done, and see if it's going to be the right fit for you. But I just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today's video. Just to make everyone aware, that was an easy 50 pips on 2 very simple trades from a very simple trading strategy. If we count the 3 trades that triggered in on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week, okay, you're looking at 125 pips in what is 7 trading days. Okay, that is a very, very large amount of pips we're making in a short space of time. Trading that at £5–10 a point, that's exactly what you want. So don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and look forward to hearing from you next week. Thank you.